Hello and welcome! How do eye training courses beat surgical options? First and most important with eye training courses, you don't need to cut your eyes to see better. Eye training boosts your eye health by recovering normal blood flow and improving eye muscle shapes. Second, eye training courses don't have any side effects. You improve eye muscle flexibility and accommodative focusing functions. Third, eye training course, Eyesight Academy, is teaching you to get new visual skills, such as feeling what is going on with the eyes. Do they get strained? Or how they can see before training or after training, and much more. You getting conscious control of your eyes. Fourth, with eyesight improvement courses, you get into clear vision habits such as eye exercises and relaxation techniques. If you continue doing them regularly, you will get long-lasting results. Fifth, eye training courses targeting to eliminate the main cause of vision problems, accommodative spasms. When some part of the eyes get broken, it affects everything because the organism is interconnected mechanism. By eliminating accommodative spasm, we start the work of eye focusing, eye convergence, regeneration, and eye recovery. If you want a step-by-step course to improve your eye health and get better eyesight, enroll in the Eyesight Academy course. A link in the description below.